Have you ever wondered where your makeup comes from? Almost every girl uses or has used makeup in her lifetime. There's so much variety in makeup. You can get blushes, foundations, eyeshadows, lipsticks, you name it, you can get it. Makeup is something that is actually very important in the United States because America really cares about appearance. I never used to think about what I was putting on my face in the morning and where it came from. But after making this video and doing research on it, I actually found out that this is very important. So I hope that when you watch this video and get done watching it, that you guys will have a different outlook on makeup and where it comes from. The reason you guys have makeup is basically based on a group of people called chemists. The chemists that we are talking about are cosmetic chemists. They make sure that the makeup you're putting on your face is safe to put on your face. They also develop new formulas so your makeup is either oil-free, paraben-free, and a bunch of other different things. They make sure that you are being safe when you use makeup, and that's the most important thing ever. The working conditions are normally just a cosmetic laboratory, and they produce different brands of makeup. The one that I'm going to be talking about today for the most part is the Estee Lauder Companies Incorporated, and they take place in Toronto, Canada. They distribute Clinique, MAC Cosmetics, and of course Estee Lauder. The workspace itself is very tight-knit and close together, and it goes on by floor of what it is. What you must wear on the job is you must wear protective shoes, and you can wear shoes that protect your actual shoe. So this is a picture of a girl's shoe when she went to MAC. You must wear a lab coat, but safety goggles are optional. Most of the time you don't need to wear them though. Like I said, locations normally are in just a laboratory. As for the hours of the workers, it is normally just 8-hour shifts, anywhere from 8 to 12 actually. And hazards, there really are none because they don't work with any hazardous materials. The only safety hazard I can think of is actual heat. Chemistry is used daily in order to make makeup. You have to combine different ingredients to have different formulas, and you also have to use a lot of heat, and I mean a lot. So first of all, one example is you have to use heat in order to make sure that the lipstick sticks to the tube. You have to melt different waxes to make lip glosses and lipsticks, and you also have to do that with mascaras and anything liquid basically. As for like powders and stuff like that, it actually starts off as a powder, and they also add just like some sort of liquid so that it sticks together. So right here, as you guys can see, there's powder on the left side. On the right side is what I'm guessing is going to be lip gloss. So they use different gelatins and petroleums for that. So right here are colors, and these are going to be eyeshadows actually. So right now they are bright color, and right here is just some of the ingredients that people use for more natural product. Okay, so once you graduate high school, I recommend taking different chemistry classes in high school as well. But when you're in college, you need to get a 4-year degree first, and you need to study mostly on chemistry, chemical engineering, biology, and microbiology. Once you get that, they recommend getting a PhD or a master's degree, something higher, so that bigger brands will offer you a job. And there are different things that you can be actually once you're a chemist. So you can be a cosmetic formulator. This is where you can like come up with the ideas, a quality control chemist, analytical services, and there's way more. The average salary in North Carolina for a cosmetic chemist is around $55,000, but it does increase with experience. So that's what determines your salary, is how long you've been there, experience, and what you do. So normally formulators actually get more money. So right now the want for a cosmetic chemist is actually increasing by 2% right now. Someone wants to embark in this career because you get to use a lot of creativity in creating colors and things, and you also get to pick out the names and packaging and different stuff like that. It's not that hard of a task to do as far as creating makeup and stuff goes, and you're not really using hazardous materials because you are just using heat, makeup, and things that are healthy for your face. So this is one of the easiest chemist jobs I think you can do. I would want to do this job for the same reason I think anybody else should do this job, because you get to use a lot of creativity and because it pays pretty good for just doing something that you love to do. And I think makeup is something that all girls use, so you could definitely tell when somebody's wearing makeup, and especially wearing the makeup that you made. So just be something that would make you feel good, and because you can make a difference on somebody's life in the simplest way. I don't think I'd like the fact that I would have to wear those shoes and a lab coat, just because what if you got hot and the shoes look really uncomfortable to walk in? Other than that, I think the job would be really fun to do. I think it would be challenging to redistribute the colors the exact same color you originally made it.
You try to run, you try to hide. It's just a game of I'll be Jekyll and you be Hyde.